is a hotel manager. The hotel is a well-known, profitable, and nice place to stay. Yet, after some time, anything requires refreshing and upgrading. Jack is unhappy with the idea of a complete renovation that is a long, expensive, and risky process. It will interrupt business for weeks or months, or even more. But wait a minute, Jack. There's a new solution for renovation. Have you heard about Nelcos? Yes, Jack. In the 21st century, any surface can be covered with a unique material to look like new. This material is an interior vinyl film. We can wrap doors, walls, front desk, elevators, even showers, actually anything, using the Nelcos solution. It is a fast, very cost-effective, clean, and silent way of renovation. Jack is happy now.